indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, make a great choice today with 2017 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.